Hi students, good morning. Exercise 4.3, question number 19. 7 relatives of a man comprises 4 ladies and 3 gentlemen. Okay. His wife also has 7 relatives. 3 of them are ladies and 4 gentlemen. Here, solution given man's relative. Okay. Man's relative. Here we take wife's relative. Wife's relative. Okay. Number of ladies. Okay, number of ladies. Number of gentlemen. Here the man's relative of ladies is 4. Okay, 4. And gentleman is 3. Here the wife's relative of number of ladies is 3. Number of gentlemen is 4. Okay, totally 7 person is the man's relative and 7 person is the wife's relative. Okay, here in how many ways can they invite a dinner party? Okay, invite a dinner party of 3 ladies and 3 gentlemen. Okay, here they arranged in a meeting, that is a dinner party. Okay, invite a dinner party, totally 3 ladies and 3 gentlemen. Okay, 3 ladies and 3 gentlemen. Show that there are 3 of man's relative. Okay, 3 chosen in 3 person in man's relative. Okay, and 3 of the wife's relative, and chosen 3 person is wife's relative. Then the total number of ways. Okay, here this is in our, this is the given. Here total number of ways is using tabulation man's relative. Okay, here man's relative. Man's relative. Here wife's relative. Here number of ways. Okay, number of ways. Here man's relative are ladies. Number of ladies is 4. Number of gentlemen is 3. Okay, in the wife's relative, ladies and gentlemen. Number of ladies is 3 and gentlemen is 4. Okay, here we invite a dinner party can be made chosen out of totally 14 members, choosing in each combination is 3 ladies and 3 gentlemen. Okay, that is the condition. In another one condition is 3 of man's relative and 3 of wife's relative. Okay, this is the condition 1 and 2. Okay, here we take 4C3 means 4C3 means 3 ladies out of 4. Okay, out of 4. Here 3C0 because this is the man's relative. Okay, totally we can choose 3 of 7 persons. Okay, 3 of 7 persons. 3 plus 0 is 3. Okay, totally 7 persons. Here ladies. Here we choose 3 ladies. Here no one choose the ladies. Okay, no one choose the ladies. Here no one choose the gentleman. Here we take 3 gentlemen, that is 4C3. Okay, 4C3. In the another one conditions, the wife's relative chosen 0 plus 3 is 3. Okay, the condition is satisfied. This is the one of the ways. Okay, one of the ways. Suppose we choose 4C2 means 2 ladies out of 4 in man's relative. Okay, here then the remaining ladies are 3C1. Okay, 3C1, totally 2 plus 1 is 3 ladies. Okay, 3C1. Here number of gentlemen is, here we already chosen in 2 in man's relative, then the remaining chosen only one person, that is 3C1. Okay, 3C1. Here product of all the cases. Okay, here 4C2 into 3C1 into 3C1 into here, then remaining we can choose 2 person out of 4 gentlemen. Okay, 4C2. This is another one possible ways. And then here 4C1 means we choose only 1 ladies out of 4 in man's relative. Then the remaining is 3C2. Okay, totally 1 plus 2 is 3 of man's relative. Here 3C2, totally 1 plus 2. Okay, ladies 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, totally 3 into here 4C1. This is one of the way. Then the last one is 4C0. It means no one ladies are selected out of 4 in man's relative. Okay, then 3C3 means select 3 gentlemen out of 3 in man's relative. Totally we can select 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. Okay, here no one ladies are selected in man's relative. Here chosen 3 out of 3. Okay, 3 out of 3. Here 4C0. Then the value of 4C3 is 4. Okay, 4C3 is 4. 3C0 is 1. 3C0 is 1. 4C3 is 4. 4 4s are 16 into 1 is 16. Okay, 16. Here 4C2. Okay, 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2. Simplify, we get the result is 6. 3 into C1 is 3. 6 into 3 into C1 is 3. 4C2 is 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 into 9, which gives to 324. Okay, 324 is 324. Here 4C1 is 4 into 3C2 is 3. 3C2 is 3. 4C1 is 4. Here 4 4s are 16. 16 into 9. Okay, 16 into 9, that is 144, isn't it? 144. Here 4C0 is 1. 3C3 is 1. 3C3 is 1. 4C0 is 1. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. Then the total number of ways is sum of the all cases. 6 plus 4 10. 14. 1 15. Remaining 1 2 4 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, totally 485 ways.